Let's talk about texel density. So a lot of people are kind of confused on how you get, how you set, how you do all this stuff with texel density. So I figured I'd do a quick little video on how to do that. So if you open up your UV editor in Maya, you have our two little objects here. So when you open your UV editor, you're kind of familiar with this layout. So we're going to go ahead and open up transform. There's a lot of stuff you can do in here, but we're going to focus right now on this texel density area. So you can see we have two separate ones, but say we want to kind of get everything unified and set up. So first we need to establish, like, what's our texture resolution? What are we working with? So are we working with a 512 by 512 texture, or are we working with a 2048, which would be a 2K texture? This is where you're going to set up your texture resolution. This is going to be the resolution of your UV tile. So it'll be 2048 by 2048. It's always in a square, so whatever you set that number to, it's going to be the same way either way. Once you've set that, we need to figure out what our texel density is. So say we laid these out, and I know that I want my object to be this size. So we're going to take this, we're going to hit get. This get is going to get us a number. It's at 84.7072. You can make it a specific number if you want to. For instance, if we wanted to go, let's say we want 90. So I'll hit 90, and I can hit set. That then sets this texel density to 90. We can do the same thing here. So if I want this one to be 90, I can do set. So now we have two objects in the same UV tile that are both a texel density of 90. This is generally how I will go through my models and make sure that my texel density across my model is set to what I want it to be. This is really important when it comes to certain details in your model, especially if you're trying to get a lot of little details on a larger model. You're going to want to make sure that texel density is the same or similar.